You gonna sing going down the hallway?
Karen gave me my basil, like a big pot of plants.
Oh, okay.
See?
Great.
Amazing.
Okay, so today's a bittersweet day, but I want to say on behalf of the Board of Trustees that we are so blessed and grateful that you found us, and that you made your way to us, and that you became one of our best ambassadors ever for the West African exhibit. So when you and I were talking day before yesterday, and we were talking about community and connections and how all of that comes about and how we often not only just look for ways to make that happen, but it happens organically, and we build on that. So the Board of Trustees wants to give you something. Okay, this is a present from the Board of Trustees. Now, when you can't find yourself in a position to go to Nigeria as often as you would like, okay, we would like for you to put this on your desk and to remember that all roads lead to Virginia, and you can always come back here.
You gotta open it.
You gotta open it.
You can't just
You
hug
can't
it.
just that. You gotta open it.
You can't just hug the bag.
Oh my goodness. Thank you.
Okay.
Alex.
Now it's Alex's turn.
All right, so the rest of the team on the museum side, right? So you've done such an amazing job over here for us, and, as an ambassador, and also, not just the seesaw event. I mean, we've had Juneteenth, and you were invaluable to that, and the research that you've made for us to make sure that we represent better the Igbo community, and particularly with regards to the village, and understanding some things like was it Uli? Is that it?
Yeah.
And many different things. So go ahead and open this one. So this
Thank
is from,
you.
from all the team. You gotta open it. You can't just like open it.
Gotta look at it.
She's smiling. Thank you.
That is lovely.
Oh my goodness. So that is Dalo.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So basically, it's a certificate of completion.
Oh my.
And
Oh my.
it's really hard to have a life when you're popular, and you're always gonna have people that are gonna tell bad stuff to you just because of that. And this is from us. Whenever you feel stressed because of people not understanding you, when you go back to your room to remember who you are. So you gotta rip that one out.
You gotta rip it. Hand it.
Goodness.
Nice.
Cute.
And foundation downstairs really helped us with this, awesome bag, so you don't forget us. So,
Thank you.
And I see another bag has entered the room.
and now we can.
So we have some things for you as well. It has been a joy and a pleasure to get to know you. You've been so kind and happy and always uplifting, and we appreciate that. And you've taught me a few things.
I think I know.
I never, ever knew that I've never seen anyone that has had so much passion and love for peanut butter crackers. And we're so thankful that you came and are with us. So here are your biscuits to take with you when you go. But also, girl, you gotta know what a biscuit is. That being said, we got you some Bojangles biscuits.
Real biscuits.
We got you some jam to go on
Well,
said
there you
biscuit. Because you gotta do it
Yeah,
that
that's
way.
right.
You gotta do the southern way.
Yes, you gotta do it the southern way. And then,
Like gravy.
biscuit with a little bit of sweet. So we also got you the
Oh.
bowberry biscuits.
Ah.
It's got blueberries in it, icing on the top. You cannot go wrong with that.
This is what we call biscuits. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So now I have some refreshments.
Yes, indeed.
we've got lemonade and tea, salty crunchy, we've got cupcakes, we've got beautiful cookies.
I really appreciate this, and it has been an amazing time being here. I like here. I want to come back in future. I really appreciate this, and when I came and I opened the door, I was supposed to stay in the room, and there is this basket filled with all sorts of things, cookies, chocolates, water, everything was just in it. And
Sounds like our director of hospitality.
Maybe.
That was, I took a picture and I was on my page. I'm like, I've never seen something like this before. That was for me an amazing welcome, and that was when I knew that my heart is here, and you know, I am accepted. And it's been a lot of learning experience working with Alex, learning what Trello, and he's always talking about Trello. It has been an amazing experience, and being with the interpreters, joining their meetings, being all over the exhibits and learning different culture. Thank you all. I appreciate this, and hopefully I'll come again even as we go through the journey of renovating here. I want to be part of it. I want to come again and again and again, and I want to be part of this beautiful family. I am happy because this place is so welcoming, and I do hope that when I come again, the door will be open for me. Thank you.
One thing to know.
Because we are as far north as you can go.
Thank you.
Exactly.